Engaging life, where life matters. Sikhona futhi sisasela endaweni yesigameko nje uPastor Mbusa ahlala asho nje siyatholakala kuma social media network wethu wonke. Sine show, i-radio show every Thursday 6 to 9, Engaging Life, Sound of Azania. Okay, someone umfana la uzozisho ukuthi igama ubani. It's a teenage young boy kune situation eyenzeka la. Na into ezokumangaza. There's a young boy, there's umama osemdala, so uzo reflecta kahle lo mfana ukuthi kena kwenzakalani la, uzosho igama lakho ubani nokuthi kwenzakalani la. Ungasitshela mfana?
Okay, sanibonani, igama nguAndile wakwaGadebe, ngisonta ekhanyeni okusha eZayoni. So today we gathered as a branch and other branches to celebrate our eldest life, which is Ukoko Livuno. She's turning 103 years old today, and isifunda okuningi man ngokuthi njengoba sine elder engaka ebranchini yethu. It's a lucky charm for thina, as it's very rare ukuthi uthole abanye abogogo emanye amabandla abanabogogo abakanje, because it's very rare, because esikhathini samanje abantu abaningi abananhlonipho. That's why ubona insuku zabo zincipha and all, but then it's all about inhlonipho. Masingathi siba honest and yonke into, because of ugogo makasha sakhula naye bekakhuluma ngenhlonipho, but then beka la akhona namhlanje. She actually reached 103, which is into enqayizivele basho ngesizulu. And inhlonipho, so lento le idlulisa imessage ukuthi sihloniphe nathi as abantwana kuze sizokwazi ukufika lana ugogo afike khona, because it's very rare.
No, it's rare.
Yes.
And then I think wonke amazawini esinawo kakhulu la kule region yethu ese-Gauteng region.
Yes.
I think there's a few of grannies, if not only one.
Yeah, true.
On 103 kumazawini wonke jikelele lana ku region yase-Gauteng region ukuthi abasibe nogogo on 103, and it's good.
Yes.
For when as a young person, what lesson are you picking up kule situation eyenzeka namhlanje? Yini lesson wena uyifundile la?
Okay, so as a young person, what I've picked kulento le enzakala namhlanje la esontweni, I see ukuthi it's actually important to respect other people, not only your family or your parents, but respect other people. So ukwazi ukuphilisana nabantu kuze uzofika la uyakhona, and just groom yourself. But while grooming yourself uyafunda ngapha nangapha, and respect goes a long way. Ehamba ne kindness, more kind to other people, okuhle futhi kuyabuya kuwe futhi.
So ukhulele ebandleni a young boy,
yes,
or young man who's about to be, usesikolweni, I assume are you in high school? What are you doing with your life when yenza ngempilo yakho? Are you still in high school or university? What are you doing?
Okay, so I'm in high school. I'm doing grade 11 this year, and the subjects that I'm doing is business, history, and maths lit neZulu. So okwamanje, of course, ngiyafunda, and then what I want to do is to be a real estate agent. Many people know it as ukudayisa izindlu. Yes, just wanna get into marketing, because I feel like that's what I'm passionate about and that's what I can do.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a good thing that you are usesikolweni, and it's a good thing ukuthi kana uze kule event kagogo o 103.
Yes.
And then the lesson you've picked up when ozowasebenzisa nje ubufunda nje so esikoleni mawubuka ugogo, what lesson will you picked up ozowathatha uhambe nawo?
What I've picked up is that mele ube consistent, because as umuntu ofana nogogo, I think ngeenkathi zabo imfundo bengabalulekanga ngaleyo ndlela, but then thina njengoba siphila ngemfundo, but education is the key. Ugogo was consistent ekuhlaleni kuNkulunkulu, which is also something I pass through thina as kids. You must be consistent with what you love and what you trust in. Thank you.
Ubeka kahle engaging life. La into ezoyisho kini ukuthi transcendence. Shuthi kona uNkulunkulu akatholakala phakathi kwesimo, but uNkulunkulu uthola ngaphandle kwesimo and aka affect iagenda yomhlaba, because uqale i transcended to being umama wakhula waba ugogo waba waphatha abazukulu, and he learns these things. uNkulunkulu lakha khona guide all the way, and then nakusa semncane uNkulunkulu udlala lo role to transcend you whatever situation you're going through. uNkulunkulu uzoba khona outside your situation.
Yeah.
Ingakho njalo kumele uhlale umbize konke izimo zakho. He knows better than what you're going through.
Yeah.
Yilo message siphethe kuba engaging life, yilo message siphethe kule event esikuyo yesigameko ugogo turning 103. Some decades
Yeah.
uzoshawa Jupiter. Wow. I must say that.
Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu engaging life.